I'll demonstrate for you what a person that speaks English speaking Hungarian, and this is it, and then a better, more refined accent for Hungarian. Jó napot kívánok! Levi vagyok, vágyok. Nagyon szeretem időjárás. That's yeah, that was pretty rough. But I guess I would say jó napot kívánok, Levi vagyok. Nagyon szeretek az időjárás ma.
When I first got to Hungary, definitely didn't speak very well. I definitely had a terrible accent. Én Caroline vagyok, én South Jordan, Utah-ból jöttem. Szeretek úszni, meg aludni, meg nem tudom, valamilyen más. És szeretem a családomat. Definitely how I sounded when I first got there. But better Hungarian would be like, Szia, én Caroline vagyok, én South Jordan, Utah-ból jöttem. Nagyon szeretek úszni, meg aludni. Nagyon szeretem a családomat. Definitely a river language. Hungarian is very flowing. It's not choppy at all, so that's the difference between the two. Is the first one, I was very choppy. You need to make sure that you focus where you put the emphasis on the sentence, on what word. Your tones are really important. I think Hungarian is so beautiful because you're able to just kind of go up and down, and Hungarians never really raise their voices, and so you have to really pay attention to their tone of voice to be able to understand what the emotion is in the sentence.
Americans learning Hungarian, we can sound pretty funny because in American English we have such different vowel sounds, and learning a different language, I mean, this goes for anyone learning any language from any language, so you have your vowels and your sounds that are familiar to you, and then you have the ones you're trying to learn, but most people don't pay attention to the details about like really how they make the sounds. For example, in American English we have a lot of vowel sounds that are not just one vowel, not just one sound, but two. It's called I don't even know how to say this, diphthong. Diphthong, yeah, I think that's what it's called. Where there's like essentially two sounds in the same letter. Like when we say okay, it's like a, and not just a. In Hungarian they say okay. But so an example of an American accent, very American accented Hungarian sentence is jövő hétvégén elmegyünk a termálfürdőbe. And like they just like kind of they just apply their you get your American sounds in the Hungarian words, so it does sound pretty funny, but you can get by, people understand you. I guess my best imitation of a Hungarian accent would be jövő hétvégén elmegyünk a termálfürdőbe. And so they have more precise, like they just clip the consonants more. They don't add as much to the consonants. In American English we say stuff like please, and don't, and we give like a lot of to our consonants. In Hungarian they don't do that. That was just like a basic difference, I guess, between the accents.
Sziasztok! A kedves magyaraim, nagyon szeretlek titeket, és nagyon hiányoztok nekem, és azt hiszem, hogy ti vagytok a legjobb emberek a Földön, és azt tudom, hogy tele vagytok szeretettel az emberekért, és azért nagyon hálás vagyok, mert én részt tudtam venni abból a szeretetből, és köszönöm, és nagyon szeretlek titeket. Isten áld meg a magyart.